Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the flight fare prediction using machine learning. So let's open the project folder and this will be the dataset file, data.csv file, and it shows the airline, date of journey, source, destination, route, departure time, arrival time, duration, total stops, additional info and the price. So these are the rows and those column. So total k columns and n number of rows. So we have trained that particular model from that particular data set, and this will be the image that we are using for the interface part. This will be the main code. Let's scroll up from starting seventh line. We are importing the libraries and we are generating the model.pkl file, and we are the airlines, and this will be the source, destinations, stop mappings, stops, and defining load pickle, defining the predict functions. Let's scroll down. Now class will be the my option menu, main screen. Now we are generating the main screen. Main screen is equal to TK, and we are giving the title flight price prediction and the resizable false comma false. It means like we can't maximize and minimize the screen, and main screen dot configure background is equal to black. Okay, we are importing that particular image to that home page. Okay, that particular image flight.jpg, and we are giving the height and width to that particular image. This will be the title, welcome, and text airline, source, destinations. These all are labels, stop, journey, month, day, departure, hour, minute, arrival, hour, minute, okay, and predict function. This will be the button. Like when we click on the predict button, then it will call to that particular module. So it will call to the particular module, and here we are defining the predict functions. So let's close that, and this will be the training code. This will be the complete training code. Let's go back. Now let's run the main file. Open in terminal and write python space main.py, then enter. Now first it will show the airline. You have to select that particular Indigo, Airline, Air India, Jet Airways, SpiceJet, multiple carriers, Go Air, Vistara, Air Visa, Vistara Premium Economy, Jet Airway Business, multiple carrier Premium Economy, and TrueJet. So let's select the Air India. The source will be the Bangalore and destination Kolkata. Stops non-stop. Month, fourth month. Day, 7. Hour, 4. And arrival hour, 7. Okay, let's click on the predict button. So it will predict the price of flight is equal to 5,186.56017193468. Okay, so let's change the source part, Chennai. Okay, then click on the predict button. So it predict the price of flight is 5454.09220110827885. Okay, and the route from MW to GCU. Okay, so let's change the airline Vistara and change the source Delhi to Hyderabad. Okay, change the month 6 month and 9 day. R will be the 7 and arrival 9. Okay, let's click on predict button. So it predicts the price of flight is 5106. Change the airline like Vistara Premium Economy and change to source Bombay to Delhi. Okay, let's click on predict button. So it predict the price of flight 6379.96. Okay, let's change the airline. SpiceJet, source Chennai, destination New Delhi, and stops 2, and month will be the 7, departure 5, and arrival 9. Then click on the predict button. So it predict the price of flight will be the 8655.81. So this will be the complete project. If you find out, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website, or you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.